Professional jewelers are going to hate me for doing this, but before you get someone else to clean your silver jewelry, why don't you try this? You can see how dirty this cross is, and I thought this would be the perfect video to bring this back to life. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways you can polish and clean your jewelry at home. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. This is going to be super simple. All we're going to need is some anti-tarnish silver polish from Talk of the Town and an old t-shirt. And no, these guys aren't paying me, and it's not a sponsored ad. It's just a great product and it's super simple to use. This is an easy product to find online, and you'll probably find it at your local jewelry supplier as well. I've cut a nice long piece of t-shirt material. The reason for that is we can sort of tie it into a little knot here, and then we can hook it onto something, or you could use a clamp. Just clamp it down your bench, which we'll do today. As you can see there, it's nice and tight, it's not going anywhere, and that's going to be perfect. Add a little bit of polish on the shirt and start with the detail areas first, like holes and edges. Then polish the back, keeping the cloth tight, rubbing up and down, applying a little bit of pressure. Apply more polish if needed. It will turn the shirt black, but that's exactly what you'll want. Okay, so this is the cross so far. I've done the holes and I've done the back. You can see the back's quite shiny now. That literally took me no more than a minute, maybe a little bit over. Now I'll do the front and then it'll be ready to go. A lot of people think their silver is ruined when it turns black, but most of the time it's just surface tarnish, and it cleans up really easy. This clasp has definitely seen better days. I've given this side a shine up. I've just got to do the other side and clean up the ends here, and then we're almost done. What I'm going to do next is I've got some t-shirt material that I've cut off. I'm going to add a little bit of polish, and I'm going to polish the bail and a few other hard to reach areas. Check it out, look at how shiny it does. All I've got to do now is rinse it under some warm water, maybe use a toothbrush, and I'll get rid of some of that polishing compound that's stuck in the grooves, and then it's ready to go. Silver doesn't rust like steel, but it does tarnish over time from exposure to air, moisture, and everyday chemicals. Things that can speed up the tarnishing process: humidity, sweat, perfume, sunscreen, and other lotions. Man, what a difference. So there's the cross. It almost looks like it's brand new. I really can't believe how well it's come out. It's pretty impressive. We sort of went over the 2 minutes, but that's all right. The main thing is I hope you guys got something out of it, and please subscribe to the channel, and I've got another video right up here. Wearing silver often actually helps keep it polished. The rubbing and friction helps keep the surface clean.